Hey everybody, it's Raymond with the Apex mobile app. I hope you're doing alright today. Just wanted to make a brief announcement for the month of August. What we will be doing is we're going to be giving a dash cam to a driver. In order to be eligible for this dash cam, you need to click like and subscribe in the video here, but most important, you need to leave a comment. We're going to pick a random person from the comments in this particular video. So if you want to get a dash cam, the dash cam that we're giving away, it's a dual dash cam. It's nothing fancy, but it does the job, I believe, and it's not going to cost you anything, and we will ship it to you here in the US. So if you're in the US, then this is going to really apply to you. So remember, click like and subscribe, and most important, leave a comment down below. We are going to have some more things coming down this month, so when they are official and they become available, we will have a promo, some videos posted here on the channel. So be sure to click on that little bell notification down at the bottom down here, or wherever it's at, just so you can get the alerts of when we have that information coming out, and that way you'll be alerted of what's going on. So y'all have a great month, and we will see you soon. But before I let you go, if you were participating in last month's promotion, be sure to email your end screen from the driver app and see if you qualify. And we'll see y'all later. Y'all have a good day. Bye.